So this is Wednesday night's homework, and we're going to start with a word problem. So we've been working on word problems in class. I have handed out clue word sheets to know which operation we're talking about, and we've been reviewing it in class. I'm also going to link down below here the clue word list in case you need to use it at home. It says Tony Bags weighs 4,782 grams. Okay. And Lisa's bag weighs 1,245 grams. What is the total weight of their bag? So two things in here jump out to me. It says and I know a lot of times when it says and like that, it's going to be addition, but I still want to check. And total. A lot of times when you see the word total, it means addition. But I'm just going to draw a visual for me. I'm going to draw a little suitcase right here and a little suitcase right here. So we have 4,782 and we have 1,245. So I want to know how much is total, so that means I'm going to add. So 4,782 plus 1,245. 5 plus 2 is 7. 4 plus 8 is 12. 2 plus 7 is 9, plus 1 is 10. 1 times 4 is 5, plus 1 is 6. Okay. The second question is asking us to list the factors. And remember, factors are whatever numbers you can multiply together to make your desired number. So in this case, 12. We want to know what two numbers can we multiply together to get 12. Well, we always know that every number has a factor of 1 and itself. It's an even number, so I know that 2 is going to be a multiple. It's going to be a multiple of 2. So 2 times what gets me 12? 2 times 6. And then I also know that 12 is a multiple of 3. So 3 times what gets me 12? 3 times 4. So your factors are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. Okay. Again, we're going to continue with the multiplication. I am going to solve this one, however, using partial products. So 315 times 83. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to break it up by place value. So this is 300, 10, and 5 ones. So I have 5 ones, 1 set of 10s, and 3 sets of 100. And then for 83, I have 8 10s, so that's 80, and I have 3 ones. I find it easy to make myself a little box just to kind of keep my things a little bit neater. So I'm going to put 300, 10, 5, and 80 times 3. So 8 times 3 is 24. 2, 3 zeros. 8 times 1 is 8, but remember it's 10 times 80, so we have to have 2 more zeros to hold our place. 8 times 5 is 40, adding our other 0. 3 times 300 is 900. 3 times 10 is 30. 3 times 5 is 15. So I know that this one's going to be 900 plus 30 is going to be 930 plus 15. 5, 3 plus 1 is 4, and then you have your 9. So I added those all together. I know 24,800. And if I add 400 more, add them together. 8 plus 4 is 12. 4 plus 1 is 5. And 2 is that. So your answer is 25,200. If you use the US Standard Algorithm, that is also fine. Okay, the next problem is another solve, because we're really practicing multiplication and division because we're going to be using it all year. And I'm going to solve this using US Standard Algorithm. Divide, dad, mother, sister, brother, repeat. I'm going to put my multiples of 4 over here. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36. So the first thing I need to do is 4 going to divide into 7? Is it less than 7? And the answer is yes. So I need to see how many times I can divide it in without going over. 1, 2. Oh, I can only do it once. 4 times 1 is 4. Subtract 7 minus 4 is 3. We're going to bring down the 3. So now we need to repeat. How many times can 4 go into 33? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9's too many, so I'm going to go back to 8. 4 times 8 is 32. Going to subtract. 3 minus 2 is 1. 3 minus 3 is 0. You're going to bring down your 2. So I know that 4 times 3 gives me 12. 4 times 3 gives me 12. There's nothing left over. So my answer is 183. Okay, the last one for tonight is a word problem, another word problem. It says a party shop has 9,000 balloons. It has 2,654 red balloons, 3,456 blue balloons, and it doesn't make any sense. I'm going to change this to yellow. I hope I remember to tell you guys that. A party shop has 9,000 balloons. It has 2,654 red balloons, 3,456 yellow balloons, and the rest are blue. How many blue balloons does the shop have? So here it gives me my total. It tells me they have 9,000 balloons. That's how much they have in all. And whenever I see that they already have something in all, I know that we're not going to multiply, we're not going to add. So we're going to either subtract or divide. So that's 2,654 red, 3,456 yellow. And then the blue is the question mark. That's what we're trying to find. So this is actually a two-step problem. So we're going to subtract from the total, but we need to find out how many red balloons and yellow balloons she has all together. It's going to be 2,654 plus 3,456. 6 plus 4 is 10. 5 plus 5 is 10, plus 1 is 11. 6 plus 4 is 10, plus 1 is 11. And 3 plus 2 is 5, plus 1 is 6. So now I know how many in total there are of red and yellow balloons, but now I need to figure out how many there are left after I take those away. 0 minus 0 is 0. I can't take a 1 from a 0, so I'm going to borrow. So I get a number I can borrow from, so that becomes an 8. That becomes a 9 because it's going to give one of its sets of 10s to this one, so this will become a 10. 10 minus 1 is 9. 10 minus 1 is 9. 8 minus 6 is 2. So my answer is 2,990 blue.